In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly 2026 for beginners. Organize your calendar step by step in minutes. Let's start right at the source. Open your browser and go to calendly.com. On the homepage, look for the login button at the top right and click it. You'll be taken to a secure sign-in screen. Enter your email address, choose continue, then enter your password and continue once more. After a moment, you'll land on your Calendly homepage where everything you need to manage scheduling lives. If you've logged in before, your existing event types will show up here. This is your command center for creating and sharing booking links. From the homepage, we're going to set up your first bookable event. Find the Create button and select it. You'll see a few event format options. Choose one-on-one. This is perfect for single invitee meetings like consultations, intro calls, or quick check-ins. A setup panel opens to collect the key details. Start by naming your event. Keep it clear and descriptive like intro call or project update. Your invitees will see this name on your booking page, so make it specific enough that they understand exactly what they're booking. You can also add a brief description to set expectations, such as what you'll cover or anything the invitee should prepare. Next, set the duration. Pick a length that matches your needs. 15, 30, or 60 minutes are common. If you're unsure, err on the shorter side. You can always extend a meeting if needed, and shorter options tend to drive faster bookings. Remember that Calendly will check your connected calendars to avoid conflicts, so the length directly affects how many slots appear. Choose the location for the meeting. Calendly supports popular options like Zoom or Google Meet, or you can use a phone call or a physical address. If you choose a web conference option, Calendly can automatically generate a unique meeting link for each booking, which saves you time and eliminates back and forth. Now set your availability. This is where you define when you want to accept bookings for this event. Pick specific days and times you're open to meet and be mindful of your time zone. You can fine tune this with things like minimum scheduling notice, daily limits, and buffer time between meetings so you're not stacked back to back. The goal is to offer enough slots to be flexible while protecting your focus time. If you collaborate with colleagues, you can add additional hosts from your organization. This is great for interviews or client calls that require more than one person. Depending on your setup, Calendly can coordinate availability, so invitees only see times that work for everyone involved. When everything looks good, click Create. Calendly saves your event type and gives you a clean booking page that's ready to share. Take a moment to skim the event summary so you're confident the name, duration, location, and availability are correct. Finally, copy the link to your booking page and share it. You can paste it into emails, message it to clients, or add it to your website and social profiles. Consider including it in your email signature so people always have an easy way to schedule with you. When someone books a time, both of you receive confirmations, and if you chose an online meeting location, the joining link will be included automatically. That's it, your Calendly is set up, your availability is organized, and your schedule can start filling itself without the back and forth. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.